I'm a multimedia artist, and I use Principle 6, finding free resources every day of my life. Today I'm going to see what all I can get out of an old Venetian blind. This thing was taken out of a rental house and has been in storage for many, many years. Let's see what all we can find from it. You might be surprised. It's amazing. Again, having an artist's eye really does help. I saw this nylon cord, and I know how expensive nylon cord is, so I used my crochet hook to dig it out. Look, a little bit dirty after several years of storage, so we're going to clean it up. Look, we can just pull them straight out. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, look at this. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look how cool these little ladders look. Oh, we have to save this. We could, we could sew it across black clothing or whatever. Use it in as texture in paintings or even in ceramic. We have to do this. I got a total of 12 feet of this cool ladder lace. Alright, they've been in storage for a while, so I'm just doing a little bit of cleaning. I have just a little bit of dishwater and drying them out and then laying them in the box. I'm going to dry each one so that they don't stick together like crazy. Look what we came up with. This is neat. This is doubled right here. We're going to show you how to make it. This part, much more sturdy. You write on this part what it is, when you